We simply have to focus on this man. A big day for him, his keenly anticipated debut. It's Manchester United. They take on Napoli, live on EA TV. Well, the weather forecasters promised us an agreeable day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And we have pre-season group stage action coming right up for you. It's Manchester United up against Napoli.
Well, thanks, Derek. Now it's time to see whether this initial fitness training and development of tactics has been successful. Will there be any change of formations? These games are great to assess how these teams are evolving.
Politano. Osimhen. And the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger. Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Joao Cancelo starts with Grimaldo in the fullback positions. And the focal point in attack today, Marcus Rashford. The Napoli starting 11.
Well, they're also playing in a 4-3-3 formation, but they play it in a slightly different way, particularly in the wide areas, where their fullbacks will get forward and rotate with the wingers at every opportunity.
Here as he runs at them. How about the cross? Osimhen. Determined defending. Lefebvre. It's a fine United move in the making. Now that's a long way off target, you've got to say. It's been pretty well impossible to escape all the news stories surrounding him ahead of today's match. A matter of whether he was going to be able to play or not, and with that in mind, we all looked at the team sheet with a good deal of interest today, Stuart.
Well, he's only been out for a short while, so he shouldn't have lost too much fitness. In fact, the rest may have done him some good. I'm looking forward to seeing him play here.
Could be dangerous. And that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. He must play with the cross. Oh, danger here. Shot attempted. Simple catch, really. Grimaldo. Well, Joao Cancelo makes his long-awaited debut today. Stuart, what should we be looking out for?
Well, he's certainly got pace. He'll also be expected to get forward when he can, help provide those overlapping runs, and give his opposite number a real headache. It's a good bit of business, and I'm looking forward to seeing him play today.
And Napoli being afforded too much room. Politano. Let's take the lead here. Oh, a challenge that simply had to be won. That's a good-looking pass.
Well, I have to say, Napoli were unlucky there. Mind you, what a save it was.
Passing into the middle. And striking it on the volley. Just no luck.
Well, good technique, but just wide of the target.
Enzo Lefebvre. He has teammates around him. Nice looking pass. Not messing around with that clearance. Lisandro Martinez. Now De Ligt. Joao Cancelo. Released it nicely. And it still could be dangerous. Well, no way through in the end. A very effective challenge put in. And passing it well. Scott McTominay. And on to Osimhen. Well read to win possession back. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Scott McTominay. Now Napoli ceding possession. It's a nice-looking ball. In possession. Well, nowhere close to the goal when all was said and done.
Well, from that sort of position, you should really be testing the goalkeeper. Has to hit the target. It's not a good attempt.
De Ligt. Enzo Lefebvre. Oh, tremendous vision. It did look on for them, but not to be. Alessandro Buongiorno. Plenty of support here. Can he find someone at the far post? Well, it did look menacing, but punched away decisively. And the cross goes in. Well, not on the target. The keeper seemed to have it covered.
Well, he did seem to have it covered, but it's not a bad effort, though. He really did strike it well.
De Ligt. Nothing wrong with that, says the referee. Promising pass. Fernandes. And Manchester United might be able to profit here. Corner it is. Played over. Well, you're not going to bamboozle the goalkeeper with a corner like that.
Well, as you can see, Napoli have controlled the possession in the last 15 minutes and created a hatful of chances. But when you enjoy...
Oh, surely! And up for grabs off the keeper! That's effective pressure, high up the pitch. And blocked for now. And he has options available. Fine cross into the middle. Well, it's actually ended up being easy meat for the keeper. What was the keeper thinking? Can they cover up? Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome.
Well, what a good save that was. Napoli thought they'd taken the lead there.
De Ligt. It's with Joao Cancelo. And it might be a favourable situation, this, for Manchester United. And a throw-in it's going to be. Rashford. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Well, there's been a lot of speculation as regards this transfer and whether it would go ahead. It's finally been confirmed, Stuart.
Well, he's certainly got ability. A lot of clubs have been in for him, but now he needs to fulfil that potential. He might just have to be patient, though.
Well, a last over hit. Not quite what he wanted to produce. Scott McTominay. And now with Osimhen. Oh, good-looking run. Well, did the job in the end, to be fair. And the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. De Ligt. It's with Martinez. Now the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. And quick thinking defensively. Buongiorno. And Politano with it. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, danger averted thanks to his teammate. Well, it was almost the ideal pass, but out of play it goes. Very effective pass. And there the move ends for now. Rashford. Damsgaard. Played into the box. And I think the threat has been averted. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Todibo. Politano. Space for Napoli in the wide position. And Napoli with the ball again. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Who can he play it to? Could be dangerous. There is the goal to open the scoring. Who can say they don't deserve to be in front?
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Lisandro Martinez. Todibo. It's with João Cancelo. Grimaldo. This could level it. Crucial piece of defending. United behind, but a corner could come in handy. substitution time it is here. Playing it in. That's away completely. And he might be through here. And agonising for them. A certain chance to square this game.
Well, you can't get away. That's a wasted chance to get back on level terms here.
Manchester United really going for broke with 3 substitutes coming on at this juncture. Osimhen. Well, timed his challenge magnificently. Crossed in quickly. Wasn't quite as good as it looked when it left the boot. Politano. Really good interception. Politano. Osimhen. Promising looking attack, but comes to nothing in the end. That's a good looking ball. Scott McTominay. It's a quality pass. And easily intercepted. Well, just a bit too much on the pass. Alessandro Buongiorno. So deflection, and it will be a throw-in. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. And the Partenope is showing good width. And fine reading of the situation. Joao Cancelo. Todibo. 15 minutes left for play. Well, it's Napoli's turn now. He has teammates around him. Trying to open up the defence. Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps. And holding on to it at the second time of asking. We saw the situation developing. Politano. And he read it well defensively. United could be onto something, but good thinking defensively. Cancelo, and whipped into the box. Wasn't a great clearance. And a good take under duress there. But it wasn't first-class distribution. Well, the ball important save in the end.
Yeah, just about. It's a good recovery, but the initial mistake was a really poor one by the goalkeeper. Well, you can sense the frustration amongst those United players. That was a great opportunity to level things up here. They need to get one more big chance before the end.
Yes, a really open flow to the game. End-to-end stuff. Not troubling the keeper. Damsgaard. It's with Martinez. Pogibo. Joao Cancelo. Good ball over the top. The keeper had plenty to think about with bodies around him. Nuno Mendes. It's with McTominay. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Well, if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. No mistake by the keeper. Manchester United know they've got to get on the front foot with time the enemy. And there's the final whistle. The grim news from the Manchester United point of view is that United haven't picked up anything from this game.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result, but it was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances, could have gone either way, but in the end, they will be disappointed.
Well, we're focusing on him for a reason. Played with real authority in attack, Stuart.
Well, of course, his finishing could have been better today, but he scored one and made a lot of chances for himself. I thought he was outstanding.
It's a fine United move in the making. Well, it's a long way off target, you've got to... Crossing into the middle. And that's a nice looking ball. In position. And the cross goes in. Could be dangerous. There is the goal to open the scoring. Who can say they don't deserve to be in front? It's a fine United move in the making. Could be dangerous. There is the goal to open the scoring. Who can say they don't deserve to be in front?